If you harvested white sunflower seeds, you're doing something wrong during the growing, harvesting, or drying process. A bad harvest can be devastating. You've spent so much time growing the plant and end up with a useless product. What can you do to save the seeds, and is it too late? Sunflowers thrive in locations with long, hot summers and barely acidic soil. They bloom in the middle of summer and ripen as early fall approaches. These gracious plants can grow up to 16 feet and take approximately 3 months to mature in a good sunny site. Reasons why your sunflower seeds are white. The only way to notice your sunflower seeds are not correctly colored is after you've shelled them. Start by checking the variety of sunflowers you've planted. Some have entirely black shells, while others have thick black straps on a white base. But if you have entirely white sunflower seeds, you're making one or a couple of mistakes. 1. The sunflower heads are immature. The sunflowers mature in 80 to 95 days, but don't take this period for a guarantee. You need to inspect each head before cutting them off. Depending on the weather and position, the sunflowers can grow faster or slower. Immature seeds are not only white-colored but underdeveloped too. As a result, the seed inside is minuscule, or the shell is empty. 2. You didn't protect the plant. Mature sunflower seeds are the food of preference for birds and squirrels. Unfortunately, they also attack the sunflowers while developing. Once they damage the immature head, it disturbs the maturing process, resulting in white sunflower seeds. 3. Drying inside dark and moist places. Harvesting immature sunflowers and then storing them to dry in a bunch is a big mistake. You can cut the sunflower heads when not 100% ready, but you can't dry them stacked in your basement, attic, or shed. The immature seeds stay white and might even rot. This process is accelerated if you place them in dark and moist places. Best time to cut your sunflowers. Turn the sunflower head around and look at the calyx. When the sunflower is mature, the calyx has a soft yellow color, and there might be some brown spots. If it's still green, it's still not ready. On mature sunflowers, all petals need to be dry and fully desiccated. Turn the head towards you, and notice how all seeds are covered in tiny flowers. These flowers are self-pollinating, and the sources are their product. When the sunflower is ready for harvest, you can easily brush off the flowers with your hand. And finally, look underneath the tiny flowers. If the seeds are ready, they have well-developed color and feel loose. White sunflower seeds are not ready for harvest. The mature seeds will start popping out on their own. Harvesting sunflower seeds. To roast your sunflower seeds, you must harvest them before they dry entirely. Cut the sunflowers and place each head in a paper bag. Hang them upside down to dry. When the seeds are ready, you can simply remove them from the head by swiping your hand across the head. You can also turn the head upside down on a gripping surface resembling a washing board. Swipe it left and right, and the seeds will detach. What to do with white sunflower seeds? Farmers plant sunflowers to have bird food for the winter. But as a gardener with a handful of sunflowers, your best option is roasting them. You can consume them raw, remove the shells, toss some in a salad, or make sunflower butter. Planting white sunflower seeds. Store your seeds in an airtight container if you plan to replant some the following season. The sunflowers are annuals, so you need to sow the seeds each spring after the last frost has passed and the temperatures are above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. But don't store the white sunflower seeds, as they're not likely to grow. What color should your sunflower seeds be? Sunflowers are one of the most striking plants you can grow. They're low maintenance and yield a great harvest from a single plant. But as with any plant, it's easy to make mistakes and end up with white sunflower seeds that are tasteless. Make sure to protect the sunflower heads and harvest them when they turn yellow. Always let the seeds dry in a place with good air circulation, covered with a paper bag or cheesecloth. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.